History is full of lessons for us, but it also has mysteries for us all to solve. Some of these mysteries are recent, others are millennia old, still waiting for our answers. In India, too, generations of scientists and researchers have grappled with many puzzling stories and events that have left them baffled over years. So, here are some lists for you people. So, let's go into this video. So the first thing is disappearance of Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization is perhaps India's most ancient mystery. There are many unanswered questions about this civilization that was larger than the ancient Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilizations combined. The secrets behind the identity of the people who created it and the puzzling 4,000-year-old Indus pictographic script are yet to be discovered. Also, perhaps the most big fact about this civilization is that all its major cities sites went into sudden decline and disappeared more or less simultaneously. There are several theories about why this happened, but none of them have been conclusive. So this counts my first. Let's go to the second. So the second one is Aryan rock paintings of Charama. Puzzling ancient rock paintings have been found in caves near the town of Charama in tribal Bastar region of Chandigarh. Archaeologist J.R. Bhagat, who discovered them, says that they depict airy humanoids with no facial features and other paintings of flying discs. Interestingly, nearby villages have several legends of small Rohilla people who used to land from the sky in round-shaped flying objects and kidnap one or two villagers. The Chhattisgarh Department of Archaeology and Culture has asked the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, and US agency, that is NASA, to help research this compelling finds. So this counts my second. It was really interesting too. Let's go to the third. So people, let's go to the third one, and please do comment me down below which is your favorite. The third in my list is San Bandar caves in Bihar. The hollowed out of single giant rock, the San Bandar cave of Rajgir in Bihar is believed to be the doorway to the riches of Bimbisara, a Magadhan king who loved hoarding treasures. San Bandar literally translates to store of gold. It is said that when Bimbisara was imprisoned by his son Ajatashatru, this is the place where his wife hid the treasure on his orders. Undeciphered inscriptions in the Sankalpi script found etched on the wall of the western cave are purportedly the clues to open the doorway. The British once tried to cannonball their way through the supposed doorway, but without success, leaving just a black mark that's still visible. So this is my third. Let's go to the fourth. So the fourth fact for you is the nine unknown men. India's very own version of Illuminati, the mysterious nine unknown men, is believed to be the one of the world's most powerful secret societies. According to legend, it was founded by Emperor Ashoka himself in 273 BC after the bloody battle of Kalinga that took lakhs of life. Each of these nine unknown men has been entrusted with book of knowledge on different subjects, ranging from the time travel and propaganda to microbiology, psychological warfare. The actual identities of these nine unknown men are still mystery, but it is believed that the secret society, preserved over generations, exists till date. So this is really another Indian version of Illuminati. So let's go to the fifth fact. So the fifth and the last fact in my list is Mir Usman Ali's treasure trove. The last and the seventh Nizam of Asaf Jah dynasty of Hyderabad, Mir Usman Ali Khan, famous for his idiosyncrasies, was also known for his stunning collection of jewelry and legendary treasure. Time magazine called him the richest man in the world in 1937, and he is believed to have been the richest Indian ever. His fabulous personal wealth and most of his famed Nizam jewelry were never recovered after his death. It is believed that they still lie somewhere underground chambers of King Koti Palace in Hyderabad, where the Nizam lived for his most of the life. So that's it, people. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click on that bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.